Hello, my name's Jamie Sale. I'm a freelance cartoonist from Essex, and I'm going to be teaching you how to draw cartoons. This is how you draw Patrick Star from SpongeBob. Firstly, we start off with a circle. This will represent his belly. And he's a starfish, so basically you're going to have to draw 5 different sort of tentacles, if you like, which are going to represent different parts of his body. This first tentacle is going to represent his face, his head. This one here is going to represent his arm. This one, which is going to be slightly smaller because of the angle you're looking at him, is going to be his other arm. And the 2 at the bottom. Are his legs. Okay, when we start with the face detail, we'll start with the eyes. They need to be drawn about here. 2 sort of oblong bulges. One of them sticks out of the head slightly to create the 3D effect. And then his mouth. Comes down like that. Into his body. And you sort of sketch in the tongue there as well. So these are his pupils. And he's got sort of quite thick eyebrows. And we draw his shorts in. The shorts are sort of over halfway down his belly. And come around right to the end. Drawing just a second line here, as this represents the band of his shorts. His shorts stick out from his legs. This line goes all the way around, and because this leg is tucked behind, it goes sort of underneath this line. To make that just a little bit bigger. And then there's his belly button. And then basically we just go over the lines a little bit harder. He's actually got slight patterns on his shorts as well, so you can kind of draw that in lightly. I think they're coral leaves or something. But it adds to the effect. So all the black bits you colour in, which in this case will be the inside of his mouth. And the patterns on his shorts are dark enough to colour in lightly as well. To add the finishing touch, he seems to have little dots placed on his body in sort of random places. And that's how you draw Patrick Star from SpongeBob.